everybody, welcome to my class on three-dimensional geometry. Today I am going to start the module 2 where I will discuss distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance formula means suppose we are given 2 points in space P and Q. We know the coordinates of those 2 points but we have to find out the distance between those 2 points. So how will we find out? See, here P is one point whose coordinate is x1, y1, z1, and Q is another point whose coordinates are x2, y2 and z2. Now we are asked to find out the distance between P and Q. So we will use the plane which passes through the point P and the other plane which passes to point Q. There is a derivation of the formula, but I am not going to the derivation since normally it does not come in the exam, in ISC exams. So I'll straight talk about the formula. So the formula which helps to determine the distance between P and Q is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This is the formula. Using the formula, you can find out the distance between point P and point Q. Now, if you are asked to find out the distance between P and the origin, what is the coordinate? 0, 0 and 0. So, if you are asked to find out the distance between P and the origin, it will be x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square plus z1 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. So this is the distance between two points P and Q and this is the distance between origin and one point P. So this is all about the distance formula. Now let us discuss one problem. Demo problem. DP 2.1. Since this is my module 2, the distance formula is included in module 2, so the corresponding demo problem is 2.1.